We're diving into a full review of the Moto G73 5G, a mid-range smartphone from Motorola that promises solid performance, clean software, and 5G connectivity without breaking the bank. Design and build. Plastic back and frame, but with a matte finish that feels premium. Curved edges and lightweight at around 181 grams, comfortable in hand. IP52 rating, splash resistant. Side-mounted fingerprint scanner, fast and reliable. Display. 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD. 120Hz refresh rate. 405p density. Performance. MediaTek Dimensity 930 processor. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, UFS 2.2. Expandable via microSD. This is where the Moto G73 shines. The Dimensity 930 is a capable mid-range chip. Day-to-day tasks, app switching, and even casual gaming run without hiccups. Camera. Rear. 50MP primary sensor, f/1.8. 8MP ultra-wide with macro and depth support. Front. 16MP selfie camera. Photos from the 50MP sensor are detailed in good lighting with natural colors. The ultra-wide camera is decent, but struggles in low light. The 16MP front cam clicks sharp selfies with balanced skin tones. Battery life. 5000 mAh battery. 30 watts fast charging. Battery life is excellent, easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy use. The 30 watts charger tops it up in around 1 hour and 15 minutes, which is acceptable for the segment. So overall, the Moto G73 5G Mobile is nice. Thank you so much.